Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing how to install a free video editor. So today we are introducing about a software called OpenShot. You can download the application from openshot.org/download, or just you can visit openshot.org and you can just click on downloads option. So it will take you to this URL. So once you went to this particular website, you can see here automatically it will detect the correct version of your computer. But if you are sure that it's not the version which is listed and you are using a different version, you can just download it for any of the platforms that is available here, like whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case it's very clear 64-bit Windows computer, so just going to proceed with this version. So click on download. It's almost 131 MB. It will take some time depending on your internet speed, of course. I have a good internet connection, not that much good, but it's fine. It will be downloaded like in 15-16 seconds. Cool. So it's almost finished the downloading. You just need to install the software. In this video I'll be discussing only the installation part. In coming videos I'll be explaining in detail how to use the software and all this stuff. So just click on this one. So a new window has been opened like this. Click on OK, and here you need to accept the agreement. If you have time you can just read it. As always, I am not reading it anymore. I accept the agreement and OpenShot Video Editor. Click on next. Here you can create desktop shortcut if you want, and also associate OpenShot Video Editor with the .osp file extension. It should be a good practice because the video editor project will be .osp. And add an exception to the Windows firewall is fine. Click on next and click on install. That's it. It's pretty easy installation. This installation it will take some time depending on the hard disk that you're using and RAM version, CPU and all this stuff. Let's wait for it to finish. Finishing installation. Click on finish. Let's just see the interface, and the more topic related to this particular software I'll be discussing in coming videos. Sorry, I was opening the that's OpenShot Video Editor. Welcome to OpenShot Video Editor, award-winning open source video editing application that will provide you with the basics. That's fine. This is the window. You can see the window over here. I'll be discussing more topics related to this in coming videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.